talking. But this storm will arrive in Sanger any moment now. It's 3:50, almost 3:50. It's 3:54 right now. Crumb arrival time is at 4:12. So now when I give you these times and I say this is when it's going to arrive, let me tell you specifically what's going to arrive. You're going to have a lot of lightning. You're going to have some hail that could be pea size up to quarter, maybe golf ball or baseball or larger size hail. That's all in the forecast. These thunderstorms will intensify as we head through the next several hours. So the level they're at now, they're only going to increase in intensity. So we have the wind, 60 to 70 miles an hour. Remember, we already had a 70-mile-an-hour wind gust in Jacksboro just a few minutes ago. We're going to have the wind. We're going to have the hail. We clearly have the tornado threat because if you can see me right now on TV, you're under a tornado watch until, was that 11 o'clock tonight? Tornado watch is until 11 o'clock tonight. So that's what we have happening. So when these storms arrive, I'm giving you this time, this is the potential that you're going to have. So the thunderstorms arrive in Denton at 4:26, Justin 4:37. McKinney 5:02, Weatherford at 5:11, DFW, the big airport, arrival times at 5:23. We have Garland at 5:47, Mesquite, Dallas at 5:56, Mesquite at 6:13, Burleson 6:20, Terrell 6:38, Kaufman 6:59, Waxahachie 7:08, Grand Saline at 7:25. I'll tell you what, this is darn good data right here. This stuff, I mean, it may not be down to the second, but it's pretty darn close to the times that I've given you. We've really refined this weather tool right here, so you should really take this to heart when I give you these times. Now let's go back to the model data as well. I do have that storm in Jack and Wise County right now. This warning's coming out. We're getting some reports of ping pong ball size hail. So ping pong ball size hail is included in this new severe thunderstorm warning for Jack and also for Wise County. Here we are at 5 o'clock. Go to 6. You can see how everything's in the Metroplex at 6. Remember I said arrival time in Dallas was about 6 o'clock? There we are at 6 o'clock. There's 7 o'clock. By 8 o'clock, a lot of the activity still in parts of the Metroplex, but the bulk of it will be just south of the southern part of the Metroplex. Then by 8 o'clock, you can see how it continues to shift to the south. There we are at 9, 10 o'clock tonight. So between 10 and 11 tonight, that's when it exits the WFAA viewing area. Then southeast Texas and the northern parts of central Texas are starting to have some problems. But again, it's 4 o'clock. I mean, we're looking at, another 6 hours or so of this. That's the way it looks. And then overnight tonight, it is certainly calm. I know we're starting our 4 o'clock newscast here in just a couple of minutes, and I'll do a reset, guys, at the top of the hour. Jason Wheeler is here as well, along with a number of our other folks that are out in the field right now. We'll check in with Brittany and also Richard as well. I think Richard's at the Buc-ee's up in Denton, if I'm not mistaken. But here we have, this is the Wise County storm right now that could be, and it's moving toward Decatur. Let's zoom in just a little more, Jason, because I want to let folks know in Wise County, you've already been through a lot, especially the western sections of Wise County, west of Bridgeport, from Bridgeport on over to Runaway Bay with the problems and the deaths Saturday night. So just want you to know in Wise County, we're on this for you. Jack and Wise County, this is Jack, here's Wise, Lake Bridgeport there, you could see it for just a moment. Let's put a track on this as it tracks off to the southeast, about 35 miles an hour. So it's moving along. Saturday night, these storms, the forward speed was like 5 to 10 miles an hour. It was like it just was never going to end. Fortunately, these storms are moving dramatically faster. The average speed of a thunderstorm in Texas is about 30 miles an hour. So these are just a little faster than average. But this storm will arrive in Decatur at 4:07, Cottondale at 4:18. New Fairview at 4:30, Rome at 4:33, Briar at 4:37, Dish at 4:42, and Justin at 4:46. That's the time there for this severe thunderstorm warning in Jack and Wise County. Now, listen, this is in place for ping pong ball size hail. That's some damaging hail. I mean, it's fairly substantial hail. And there, it's right on the Jack County, Wise County, right on the Jack Wise County line. There's the storm. And Jason, you can analyze that with the analysis tool. This is a tool that shows estimated hail size. It's pretty good. It's, yeah, I mean, that makes sense. I mean, Jesse, you look at 1.5 inches, 1.7. You know, there's our $50 ping pong ball size hail reports that we're seeing right now.
It did a really good job yesterday, this particular tool. We posted a lot of this on social media, and we were getting confirmation. So we would make this post to say, you know, hail golf ball size, maybe up to tennis ball size, and then shortly after I would see reports coming in of exactly that. So I would say, yeah, this tool is awfully trustworthy, but yeah, some hail golf ball size is heading in that direction of...
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, so...
What's going on over here?
Yeah. I think she's getting some traffic cameras set up. So.
Okay. So let's do this. It's almost 4 o'clock right now. So let's go back to the radar, Jason, if we can. And as we take a look at the radar, let's take a look at the Dallas-Fort Worth area because we are almost right at 4 o'clock. And I just want to give everyone a quick reset if they're just getting ready to join us here in just a moment. Good news is that tornado warning for southeastern Jack County, that has been canceled. Okay, so for southeastern Jack County, the tornado warning has been canceled. So I want to do a quick reset here. Now that it's the top of the hour, we're going to go to Jason for some news, then we'll come back and continue to track these storms. But good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus. You're watching our continuous weather coverage here on WFAA. All of North Texas right now is under a tornado watch until 11 o'clock tonight. And we are nearing the time of the afternoon when school is going to be letting out, after school activities are going to be ending, and as that takes place along with rush hour, we're going to have, you know, hundreds of thousands of people out and about here momentarily. And I just want you to know, it's until 9 o'clock tonight. This tornado watch is in effect until 9 o'clock tonight for almost all of North Texas. The southern reaches of North Texas, then down into central Texas, most likely will have an additional watch a bit later on. But as you take a look at this watch right now, all is quiet in the Metroplex as we go to the radar, but that won't last long because our first thunderstorms of the day just started to fire up just about 2 hours ago. And I have no tornado warnings in effect right now, zero. But we will have some as we head through the next several hours. But I do have a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise County. I have a severe thunderstorm warning for Jack County. And I also have severe thunderstorm warnings for Young County. So Jack and Wise, severe thunderstorm warnings in effect until 5 o'clock tonight. And this is in effect due to the potential for ping pong ball size hail. So very, very large hail with any one of these thunderstorms. Here's Young County. So it's not Ewan Graham. The thunderstorm has passed through there. This is the Brazos River, that's Possum Kingdom Lake. And yes, in Texas, we do say Brazos, not Brazos. And this is southern Jack County. That's a thunderstorm that has a hail core that could be producing some golf ball size hail there. Certainly some ping pong ball to golf ball size hail up here in Decatur. Unfortunately, it's moving toward you in Decatur. It'll be there in about 10 minutes or so. Runaway Bay, one more time. I'm so sorry to see this this afternoon after the damage and the death there that you incurred on Saturday night. You have another intense severe thunderstorm that's almost on top of you right now. Let's put a track from the hail core, Jason, off to the southeast at about 20 miles an hour. And as that does move to the southeast at 20 miles an hour, we continue to watch not only the large hail, but right now an increasing wind signature with this as well. A little bit of a bow here. So I'm a little concerned about 60 to maybe 70 mile an hour winds, but it's almost in Runaway Bay right now. Bridgeport 417, Paradise 438, Decatur at 440, Herman at 456, New Fairview at 520, Rome at 526, Ponder 532, Justin at 543, and Denton, arrival time in Denton arrival time is at 5:50.